Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video, guys, we are going to know, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, yes, guys, you heard that right. Today, in this video, in this session, we are going to know, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to build, we are going to create an awesome dynamic cool application as well by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, if you are new to JavaScript and if you are learning JavaScript in 2026, and guys, if you aspire to become a great and dynamic JavaScript developer in coming future, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video very carefully and very patiently as well. Okay, because guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about the basics of JavaScript. Okay, so guys, if you are someone who doesn't know what is JavaScript, and guys, if you are someone who doesn't know how to write a simple code in JavaScript, and guys, if you are someone who doesn't know how to create a cool, simple, and dynamic application using JavaScript, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this entire video very carefully, very patiently as well. Okay, because guys, in this video, in this session, guys, I promise you, I give you my words also, and I guarantee you also, then guys, you are going to learn a lot of new things, a lot of new stuffs from this video, from this session in vanilla JavaScript, and you will be able to write, you will be able to create an awesome dynamic cool and simple JavaScript application as well after watching this video, after watching this session of mine. Okay, so guys, just sit back, be calm, and be relaxed and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently, because guys, we all know that it is very important, it is very crucial, it is very imperative to know what is JavaScript and to write code in JavaScript and to build, to create an awesome dynamic cool application as well if you want to become a great and dynamic JavaScript developer, if you want to become a great and dynamic front-end UI developer as well. Okay, so guys, this video is perfectly suitable. This video is perfectly beneficial for JavaScript new developers, okay, and new beginners as well in 2026. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now, and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features and all the functionalities of the example to you as well, so that we will get to know that today what we're going to learn, and today what we're going to create in this video, in this session, with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built just using vanilla JavaScript. Okay, and guys, here we can see the heading also, learn JavaScript by building real projects. Okay, guys, we all know that we learn things very easily and very efficiently by doing practicals. Okay, so guys, this is the best way, this is the best way possible to learn JavaScript, okay, by building real world projects. Okay, so I have given here the heading also, learn JavaScript by building real projects. Okay, and guys, below we can see here one text input field as well with the placeholder and a radius of a circle. Okay, and below we can see here one button as well called calculate now. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, we are going to build an awesome dynamic application where we will be able to calculate the radius of a circle, we will be able to calculate the area of a circle, we will be able to calculate the circumference of a circle, and we will be able to create the diameter of a circle all at once. Okay, yes guys, we are going to calculate the area of a circle, circumference of a circle, and diameter of a circle all at once just using vanilla JavaScript. Okay, and guys, here I have also applied the validation. Okay, so guys, we won't be able to we won't be able to calculate the radius, circumference, or the diameter of a circle without putting anything. Okay, we just have to put here number. We won't be able to enter, we won't be able to uh, put here string, text, or negative number. Okay, only positive numbers are allowed. Okay, we won't be able to put here negative number, we won't be able to put here a string or the text, and we won't be able to put here the what can I say, minus 0, less than 0 value as well. Only positive numbers are allowed. Okay, this is it. So now let me just give you few demo as well. Okay, so let's just put here anything, any string or the combination of a string and number, and now try to hit the button calculate now and see the response, see the result. Okay, how this application is going to behave whenever user will put something into the text field. Okay, so let's just hit the button calculate now. See, it is going to alert you, it is going to say you please enter a positive number. Okay, so only positive numbers are allowed. This is it, very simple. Okay, so click OK. Now I'm going to put here the string only. You can see please enter a positive number. Okay, so only positive numbers are allowed. Okay, so now I'm going to put here minus 0 as well. So now let's just calculate this. See, negative 0 or 0 is not allowed. Okay, so B won't be able to put here 0 or negative 0 as well. Okay, so let's just put here now 0. Now calculate now. See, negative 0 or 0 is not allowed. Okay, only the positive numbers are allowed. This is it. So guys, now I'm going to put here the actual data, I'm going to put here the actual information, which means I'm going to put here the real world numbers. Okay, so let's just put here I'll put here as of now put here 2. Okay, and now try to hit the button calculate now. See, boom guys, boom, this is the result. This is the result of this dynamic application which I have built using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, and I told you we are going to create the area, the circumference, the diameter of a circle all at once. Okay, all thing we will guys create, we will okay calculate like circle radius, circle circumference, circle diameter all at once. Okay, so guys, this is the area of the circle. Okay, this is the circumference of a circle, and this is the diameter of a circle. Okay, so we all know what is the formula of a circle of an area which is 2 pi r square. Okay, and we all know what is the circumference of a circle. Okay, we all know guys, it's 2 pi r. Okay, and here is the diameter, and we all know what is the diameter of a circle. It's d equal to 2r. Okay, means r plus r equal to 2r, which is the diameter of a circle. Okay, so let's just put here 20, calculate now. So see, I have given here the animation as well. Okay, see this cards looks really dynamic and really eye pleasing as well. Okay, so guys, we will be able to know how to create this kind of UI. We will be able to know how to create this kind of cards as well. Okay, this is dynamic cards. Okay, I'm going to create the dynamic cards as well in this video, in this session. Okay, and we will also learn, we will also know what is DOM and what is DOM manipulation in JavaScript, and how to do DOM manipulation in JavaScript as well in this video, in this session. Okay, so guys, this is the circumference of a circle, this is the area of a circle, and this is the diameter of a circle. We won't be able to put here any okay bizarre or any like what can I say, any what can I say out of the world text. Okay, so let's just calculate now. See, please enter a positive number, so only positive numbers are allowed. I will just put here the -9 now. Calculate now. See, negative -9 or 0 is not allowed. Click OK. So we just have to put here the negative numbers only. Now calculate the all the things at once. Calculate now. You can see here, this is the area of a circle, this is the circumference of a circle, and this is the diameter of a circle. Okay, so guys, this is very simple yet very vast, very dynamic application I have built just using vanilla JavaScript, and we are also going to build this same application here in this video, in this session as well, with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this application just using vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this application. But guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, please guys, subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, and please guys don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well, and please guys do like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, so guys, let's get started. And I hope guys you are now thrilled, you are now excited to create this simple yet dynamic application just using vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, this is very simple, this is very dynamic, and this is very basics application of JavaScript by using just vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so guys, I'm using here the VS Code editor. Guys, you are, I mean, the Sublime Text. I'm very sorry to say the VS Code editor. I'm going to use here the Sublime Text to write my code. Okay, I'm going to create here the, so I'll just say here I mean command, and I'm using here the MacBook. Okay, so I'll just use here command and. Okay, so I'll just create here the first page. Now I'll just say here Java script app dot html. Save the file inside the codes. Okay, I mean the coding folder which is on the desktop. Click save. This is it. Let's just create here the HTML part first. So I'll just say here Java, or I can say here Java script with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, this is it. So guys, let me just go to the example first to copy. Okay, CDN links of Bootstrap. Okay, so let's just copy this CDN link from here and come to the our code and just paste it here. This is it. So guys, just save this I mean the page. First of all, let me just create here one container div. Give the class, okay, as a container only. I'm going to use here Bootstrap only. So close this div now, and inside this div, let me guys go to the first okay, I mean on the browser. So guys, I'm going to create here the input field and this button now. Okay, so let me just copy this text or string from here, and let's just this is it. Let me just create here one div very quickly. I will create this okay application in no time. So I'll just say here text center. I will give here and close this div, and inside this div I will use here, I'll create here one h1 element as well. So I'll just paste this string here. This is it. Let's just save this file and open this file in the browser. So right click here and choose this option, open in browser. This is it. So here it is, the text. Okay, go, and I'll put here margin, okay, top 4 as well. So now let's just save, and now here it is. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to create here the input field. Okay, I'm going to guys create here the input field. So let's just create here one div. Okay, so let's just give this what can I say, I'll say here input group. So input group, this is it. Let's just create here level element. So level, let's just close this level element very quickly, and I'll give you the 4 attribute as well. I'll just say here 4. I'll say here input. Okay, input field, I'll say here. Okay, and I'll just say here, let me just copy the level from this example as well. Enter the radius of a circle, copy this just to save a little bit of time only. So paste it here. This is it. I'm going to create here the one input field as well. So I'll just create here one input field with the type of text only. So text, I'll give the placeholder as well. uh, I can just say here enter radius of a okay circle. Okay, this is it. Let's just give you the class as well. I'll use the form control, which is predefined class in Bootstrap, we all know. So I'll just say here form control. This is it, and I'll put here the ID as well, so that we can okay, we can target this, we can grab this input field using our JavaScript. Okay, this is it. So I can just say here in place of ID we will give this same 4 attribute, okay, as a ID as well. This is it. So now I'll just create here one button as well. So button, I'll just okay close this button very quickly, and I'll give the class as well. So btn, I'll give you a warning. I'll like this warning classes. Okay, so I can give here margin top, okay, for margin bottom as well. For I'll give here, I'll give the ID to this button as well, so that we can target this button using our JavaScript. Okay, I can just say here cal, okay, cal radius. Okay, cal radius is the id of this button. Okay, so I can just say here calculate now. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So come here. So this looks really weird. Okay, I mean the form, it's form control. Okay, it's input. So let me just okay, so yeah, we have to remove this label from here, and let's just paste it here. Okay, so again let me cut it, and now let's just paste it here. This is it. So now this will look cool. This is it. So remove this button from here. Okay, it should not be inside the div inside the input group div. It should be alone. Okay, so let's just create here one div as well, and let's just close this div now. I'll give the margin top 3, margin bottom as well 3. Let's just 3 here, put here 3, and now just paste it here. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So this looks cool now. So 3 is little wide. Let's just put here 2, and yeah, this looks cool now. I'll give the class to this level element as well. I can give you a margin top, okay, 2. I will give you a margin bottom 2 as well. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now this looks cool. Enter radius of a circle. Okay, so I think can just say here, say here 0. Yeah, this looks cool now. So this is it. So now I'll just create here one div, okay, to show the result, to show the output to the user. Okay, this is it. I'll give here the result only. Okay, so result will be better, so that they will be able to show the result. Okay, it is also self-explanatory. They're going to show the result. Okay, I'll just give the id as well to this div as a result only. This is it. So guys, now we have just written our okay HTML part. Okay, you can see here, this is the level element, this is the text input field. Okay, and this is the calculate now button. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so come here now, we will write our JavaScript now. So now inside this div, below this div, I'm going to create here one script element as well. Okay, so script now. So guys, now I'll just use here the I'm going to write here document. I'm going to attach the event listener to the entire document. Okay, document dot add. Okay, add event listener. So event. Okay, I hope this is correct. Event listener, this is okay. So what event, guys, I'm going to attach here the, I'll attach here the dom content. Okay, dom content loaded. Okay, dom content loaded is the event name, and I'll run the function, okay, when the dom content is loaded. Okay, so this is it. And now let's just alert here first to see if this is going to work or not. Okay, so this is it. Save the file, refresh the page now. So what is the issue here? It's document dot add event listener dom content content. Okay, loaded, and run one function. And so you can see that's the reason I'm just trying to be very precise. Okay, so it's add event listener. Okay, so let me just go to the console very quickly. So go to the console, it will show you the issue. What is the issue here? It is saying document. Okay, there is a spelling mistake, guys. I guess it's document. Okay, no, I don't think there is any spelling mistake. Document dot add event. Okay, yeah, there is issue here. It should be capital L. Okay, it should be capital L. This is it. Now save the file, have a look in the browser. So you can see, now refresh the page. You can see there is a alert JJJ. Okay, so this is doing great now. So let's just remove this. Okay, and now we will just grab this button. Okay, this button, I'm going to grab this using this id. Okay, cal radius. So copy this from here, and now I'll just create here one const. So const equal to, I'll say here btn equal to document dot I'll use here query selector. Okay, So it's query selector, which is very famous. So query selector, I have to write each and everything. So that's the reason I might make I might make spelling mistakes as well. Okay, so I'll just put here hash, because I'm going to grab this button using the id, which is cal radius. This is it. So now I'll just say here btn, btn dot add event listener. It's add event listener. Now the capital L is here. Okay, so add event listener. And now which event, guys? Of course, click event we have to attach. Okay, because I'm going to show the result whenever user will click this button. Okay, like here, refresh this page. Okay, so we will show the result whenever user will click this button. This button, calculate now button. Then we will show the result to the user. Okay, so it is an event. Okay, so click is an event. Okay, click is an event. Okay, so I'm going to attach the also click event. Okay, and now I'll run the function. So this function I'll run like this. So I'm sorry. Okay, so now I'll just alert here as well. Okay, to see if this works or not. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So come here and now refresh the page, click the button, click calculate now. So what is the issue, guys? It's add event listener. It's click. So let me just check what is the issue here. Okay, so it's okay, you can see here it's query, it's spelling mistake here. So it's tor. Okay, query selector. So now save the file, have a look in the browser, and now click the button. See, we got the alert here. This is doing great now. So we got the alert now. So this is it. There is no issue of alert anymore. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now I'll just create here two const inside this. Okay, as well I'll just say here input. Okay, input text I'll say here equal to document. Okay, document dot query selector. Okay, so now it will give us the exact suggestion. So I'm going to use this id of this input field to grab this, to select this input field. Okay, so it is an id, we have to put here hash, and now just paste it here. And now I'll just create here another const. So I'll just say here const, and I can say here output. Okay, equal to, I'll convert this output to the number. Okay, so number like this. Okay, so now let's just, now I can say here input text dot value. So this is the input field, so it must have a value property as well. Okay, it must have a value property as well. Okay, so guys, this is it. So now we will apply the validation. Now I'm going to apply here the validation as well. Okay, so let's just put here if. Okay, so we're going to check a few conditions. Okay, like inside this example, I told you we can't put here any string. Okay, this is the validation. Okay, we can't put here any negative number. Okay, this is the validation. We can't put here 0. Okay, we can't put here 0. This is the validation. Okay, and we can't put here the any combination of a string and number. This is the validation. Okay, I'm going to do that now as well. So come here, if, okay, I'm going to check here. Okay, input. Okay, input text dot value dot trim. Okay, I'm going to remove the remove the white spaces also. In this way we will be able to check for the white spaces as well. So now just come to the example, just come to the example and put here few white spaces. Okay, put here few white spaces, and now hit the button calculate now. You can see here, please enter a positive number. So we are also going to check here the white spaces. Okay, we are also going to check here the white spaces as well. Okay, so we won't be able to allow user to enter, to input the white spaces as well. Okay, this is it. Okay, so this is called the validation. Okay, this is known as the validation. Okay, this is known as the validation. We will also put here validation equal to this. Okay, if input field is blank or empty, or user has given the white spaces as well, then also we will not let the user calculate the radius of a circle. Okay, this is it. Or I can say here is not a number. Okay, is not a number. Using this is not a number, I'll just check. Okay, if a user has given, if a user has given the string or text inside this certain, I mean inside this input field. Okay, so this is going to check if this is not a number or is it number. Okay, this is it. So let's just say here, I'll just say here, I will just alert the user. So alert. Okay, I can just say here please enter a okay, I can say here please enter a positive number. Okay, number, this is it. Okay, and now let's just do nothing. So say here return. Okay, I will do nothing. Okay, I'll just return. Okay, from this, and if again I'll check here another condition. Okay, again I'll check here another condition. Okay, and now I'll just check. Okay, I'll just check if, okay, if user has given the -0 as well. Okay, so I'll just say here object dot is. Okay, object dot is. So copy this. Okay, output from here. Okay, if this user has given as -0. Okay, this output. Okay guys, if this output, which means user has given here -0. Okay, if this output, which means user has given here -0. Okay, -0, we will also check. Okay, if object dot is output, which means -0, then also we will show the alert to the user. Okay, like just copy this from here and just to paste it here. We will just tweak a little bit. Okay, I'll just show here the, I'll just use here the backtick. Okay, I'll just use a backtick to show the -0 as well. Okay, like this you can see here negative. Okay, so I can say here negative -0 is not allowed. Okay, this is it, and do nothing. -0 is not allowed. Save the file, have a look in the browser first, and just try to put here -0 now. Calculate now. See, -0 is not allowed. Okay, you can see here -0 is not allowed as well. Okay, so now this is it, and now this is the last validation as well. I will do here, so I can just check here if user has given here the negative number as well. Okay, like this. If user has given negative number, so we will check also that. Okay, so now I'll just check here if, okay, if this output, okay, this output is less than or equal to 0. Okay, if user has given here like 75, 10, -10, -2, -3, something like that. Okay, we will also check for that as well. So now if this is the case, and we will just paste it here, and we will just say here, okay, negative. Okay, negative number, let's just paste it here. Let's say here uh, negative number is not allowed. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser now. So just refresh this page, put here negative number. Okay, so you can see boom, negative. Okay, 63 number, uh, negative number is not allowed. Okay, so let's just remove this negative from here, and now click OK, and now refresh this page, put here negative number like this. Calculate now. You can see here negative number is not allowed. Okay, you can see here negative number is not allowed. So this, guys, this is the validation. Okay guys, this is the validation. Okay guys, this is known as the validation. Okay, so this is it. And now if everything is okay, if user has given the positive number, guys, if user has given the positive number, like, okay, 26532 something like that. Okay, if guys, if user has given the positive number, guys, if user has given the positive number, okay, which means user has passed. Okay, which means user has passed all these validation, all these conditions have been passed by the user, which means user has given here the positive number, which means user has given here the positive numbers, which means user has passed, user has clear all the validation, all the if condition. Okay, and now everything is fine, everything is okay to go ahead. Okay, to proceed ahead. Okay, so now if this is the case, if this is the case, we will call here one function. Okay, if this is the case, we will call here one function. So I'm going to define here one function. So I'll just say here calculate circle circle data. Okay, calculate circle data, and I'll pass this data, guys. I'll pass this data, okay, which user will enter. Okay, which user will enter to this function calculate circle data. Okay, and now we will define this function calculate circle data. Okay, so now first of all, I'm going to define here another, okay, helper function. Okay guys, first of all, I'm going to define here another helper function before defining this function calculate circle data. Guys, before writing this function calculate circle data, I'm going to define here one helper function which will calculate the radius of a circle, which will calculate the circumference of a circle, which will calculate the diameter of a circle for us. Okay, I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I will just create here one function, and I can say here cal calculate the calculate the data. Okay, calculate the data, and now this is it. So let's just define now, and guys, we will just define the we will just calculate the area, circumference, and diameter using the radius of a circle. Using the radius of a circle, we will be able to create here this circle diameter. We will be able to create here the circle circumference, and we will be able to create here the area of a circle by just using the radius of a circle. By just using the radius of a circle, we will be able to create the area of a circle. We will be able to create the circumference of a circle. We will be able to create the diameter of a circle as well by just using the radius of the circle. Okay, this is it. So come to the code now, and now we will just give here radius. Okay, like this. Okay, this is it. And now guys, I'm going to define here the const. I can say here the area equal to, so I'll just use here, guys, what is the formula of the area of a circle? Guys, what is the formula of the area of a circle? It's pi r square. Okay, it's pi r square. So I'll just use here math dot py, which is JavaScript. Okay, it is guys, it is defined inside the JavaScript. Okay, so it's pi, which is this radius. Okay, this radius multiply by again this radius. Okay, multiply by again this radius. In this way, we have just calculated here the area of the circle through this radius only. Okay, through this radius only, we have just calculated here the area, which is pi r square, which is pi r square. So this is the pi, this is the radius, multiply by radius. This is it. Okay, and now we will be able to calculate here the circumference of a circle as well. So I can just say here circumference. Okay, circumference equal to what is, guys, which is 2 pi r. Okay, which is 2 pi r. So let's just say here 2, and it's pi. Okay, so I'll just use here math. Okay, math dot pi, which is predefined in JavaScript. Okay, which is predefined in JavaScript. Okay, so which is predefined, it's I, capital I here also, which is predefined in JavaScript. Okay, multiply by radius 2 pi r, multiply by this radius. Okay, multiply by this radius. So in this way, we have just calculated here the circumference of a circle as well. Okay, in this way, we have just calculated here the circumference of a circle as well. Okay, and now I'm going to calculate the diameter of a circle as well. So I can just say here const, and I can say here diameter equal to, which is, guys, what is the diameter of the circle, guys, which is 2r. Okay, which is 2r. Okay, so let me just say here it's 2 multiplied by radius, this radius. Okay, this radius, paste it here, and now we will return all the things. So I'm going to return here the multiple value. I'll just return the multiple value using the object. Okay, using the object, I'll return the multiple value from this function. This function calculate the data. Okay, calculate the data. Okay, so I'll just return here the object, which means multiple data. Okay, so just to copy this area and just now put here colon, and I'll just use here this area, copy this area, and I'll just use here to fix. Okay, I'll just use here to fix, just to fix the 2 decimal point only, to fix. Okay, I'll put here comma, so only 2 decimal. Okay, this is it. Let's just copy this circumference from here and colon, paste it again to fixed only to the up to 2 decimal point. This is it. Put comma here, and now diameter also. So this, in this way, we are going to return multiple value using the object from a function. Okay, from a function we can return multiple value as well using this object. Okay, so like to place also. So guys, we are returning here the returning here the multiple values as a object from the function. Okay, from as an object from the function. Okay, this is it, guys. Okay, this is it. And guys, now I will define this function. This, okay, calculate circle data. I'm going to define it now. So copy this from here. We have to define it now. And now just say here function, paste it here, and this is it. So let's just define it now like this. Okay, and now we will call this function. Which function, guys? This function inside this function. Okay, I'll call this function inside this function. So copy it from here and just paste it here, and instead of this radius we have to give here this output. Okay, we have to give here this output. Okay, this is it. So let's just take this value inside a const now first. So I can just say here const, I'll say here datas. Okay, this is it, this is it. So now guys, let me just, okay, first of all let me just grab this. Okay, let me just grab this. Okay, div using the id. So copy this from here, and now what I'll do here, I'll just say here const, I can say here what can I say, guys? What can I give the, I can say here output. Okay, output text equal to document dot query selector. Okay, so this is the id. So we have to put here hash, and this is it. Okay, so now what I'll do here, I'll just say here, okay, output text dot I can say here dot inner. Okay, inner text like this, something like this. Okay, so I'll just show here the, for the demo, for the for you only, I'll just show here the area. So area, okay, so area, and I'll use a plus. So guys, this data, okay, this datas, okay, this datas dot, okay, this datas dot to show the, to show the area of this, okay, circle. We will use this area from here, this key. Okay, so this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, and this is the value to show the area. What I'll do here, I'll just say here this datas, okay, this datas dot, this datas dot area to show the area from this calculate the data function. Okay, so as of now, just paste it here. So as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So now let's just save the file and have a look in the browser. So now come here, this is the example, and this is what we have created now. So let's just put here 3, and now hit the button calculate now. See, boom, guys, here is the area. Okay, here is the area, guys, and likewise, okay, similarly I will be able to show other things as well. So I can show here the uh, circumference as well. So circumference of the circle as well. So let's just put here colon, give a space, put plus here. Again I will show here, again I will say here this datas, okay, this datas dot to show the circumference. Just copy this key circumference from here and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser first, refresh this page and put here 5 or 4, anything. So see, okay, so let me just okay, so put here, I'll put here, okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh this page, put here 3. So see, here is the area, here is the circumference, and to show the entire things as well, let me just copy this and let's just paste it here. This is it. So we just put here plus, okay, and instead of circumference we will say here diameter. So copy this diameter and paste it here. So make just capital D. This is it. So we will again say here datas, okay, this datas dot diameter to show the diameter, okay, of this circle. Paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. So put here 5, calculate now. So see, boom, guys, here is the area, here is the circumference, and here is the diameter. But this looks a little weird, this looks a little ugly, this looks, okay, a little outdated. So we have to show this, okay, card as well. Okay, and you can see here I've given here the animation as well. You can see here, here's the animation as well. So let me just put here 90. You can see here I've given here the animation as well. So see, here is the animation. So I'll show the animation. I'll card this. I will just create this card as well. Okay, I'll just create this these cards as well. Okay, so come to the code now. I'm going to create these cards now. I'm going to create these cards. I'm going to put the animation as well. Okay, so now come here. So guys, okay, just to save a little bit of time, what I'll do here, I'll just go to the Bootstrap site from here, and I'll just copy this code. Okay, I'll just copy this code from here, and now instead of this, let's just say here the output text dot inner, okay, dot inner html. I'll say here inner html equal. I'll use here backtick like this. So close this, and I will just paste this code here. Okay, I'll just paste this code here, and let's just okay bring it like this. Okay, so let's just bring it here, and here it is. So let me just remove this button from here. Let me just remove this button from here, or as of now let just be here. Okay, save the file, and now come here, and now refresh this page, and now put here to calculate now. Okay, so now what I will do here, I'll just make it here 4. I'll just also make it here 4, and I will just copy. Okay, I'll just copy, guys. So let me just copy one thing from here, and now let's just paste it here. So now we will be able to see here 3 cards. Save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh the page, and put here 4. Calculate now. You can see here we got here 3 cards now. Okay, we got here 3 cards, and let me just here is the we will show the card. Okay, so let me just put here the classes as well to this card. I'll say here bg, I can say here busy info, and I can say here bg. Okay, I can say here bg, what is the color. Okay, so bg warning and bg danger. So let's just say here bg warning, and it's bg danger, which means background danger. Okay, so danger, save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh this page, put here anything for, and see, this looks cool now. So now guys, let me just come here, and instead of this title special, okay, special title treatment, special title treatment, what I will put here, I just put here the area of a circle, circumference of a circle, diameter of a circle. Okay, this is it. So now what I'll do here, I'll just come here, and to save a little bit of time, I'll just copy this string from here. So area of a circle, why not write it here. So area of a circle, and circumference of a circle, so it's circumference of a circle. This is it, and this is the diameter of a circle. Diameter of a circle. This is it, and now just to show this area, I'll just copy this from here, and I'll just remove this string from here, and I'll use here the dollar, because I have used here backtick. Okay, because you can see here I've used a backtick, so I can just definitely use this dollar curly braces. Okay, in JavaScript, let's just paste it here, this data, and let's just copy this, and let's just remove this string from here, and let's just remove very fast. Why it is, because my system is, guys, okay, behaving okay little weird. Okay, so instead of this area, let's just put here circumference, and okay, so why not do this, delete once, and just copy this data dot diameter to show the diameter of a circle. So put here dollar, and now paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now put here anything 30. See, okay, this is the example, guys, very sorry. Come here, and now refresh this page. So put here 30, calculate now. See, boom, guys, here it is, area of a circle, this circumference of a circle, this, and all this, so why not put here? Okay, so yeah, this looks cool now. So let's just remove this button. Okay, I don't need this button anymore. Okay, if it will look weird, so let's just remove this, and let's just remove this, and why not? So now, okay, so what I'll do here, I'll just say here, what can I say? I can say here text is center. I can say here, and I hope this will work. So text center, this is it, and now refresh this page, put here 3, calculate now. So you can see here text center. So now this looks a little like this is the demo. Okay, this is the demo, this is the example, and this is what we have built here. So instead of p, I'll put here let's just put here h3. Okay, let's just give here h3 class, and h3 class as well. So refresh this page, put here 2. Yeah, this looks cool now. Okay, this looks cool. So okay, so what is the issue, guys? Why area and circumference are similar? Why, guys? Why area and circumference are similar? So circumference, so it might be similar, I guess, guys. Okay, so for 3 it will be different, and for 2 it will be, I guess, area and circumference will be similar. Okay, yeah, area and circumference will be similar. Okay, so it's 12 point, okay, 75. Let's just calculate from here. So it's area. Okay, so let's just okay, so let's just come here, as I can see here, calculator. So bring it here. So I'll just put here it's 2 into, okay, it's 2 into it's 3 point, okay, 14. It's 3. Oh, what is the issue, guys? It's 2 into, hey Bhagwan. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so it just say here it's 2 into, into 2 into 2 equal to 12 point. Okay, it's 12 point. Yeah, it's 12.56. Okay, it's, guys, 12.56, which is similar to this. Okay, 12 point, okay, 57. And so now what I'll do here, I'll just remove this, and I'll just calculate the circumference as well. So I'll just say here 2 into it's 3.14 equal to multiply by 2. Yeah, it's quite similar, guys. Okay, it's quite similar, so for 2 area and circumference will be different. Okay, I mean the same. Okay, very sorry, for 2 area and circumference will be similar. Okay, so remove this. So now this is doing great. You can see here this is doing great. Okay, so for 21 it will be different. Okay, so yeah, it's different. Okay, for 3 it will be different. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now let me just put here the animation. Okay, I'll just put here animation. So guys, I'm going to copy the animation from here. Okay, from the example as well. So let's just copy this animation from here. So copy this, okay, style from here, copy this style from here, and just inside the head element I'll just paste it here. So I'll just copy this, okay, alert animate from here, and I will just come here, and on this card, okay, let's just put here alert animate. Let's just put here alert animate, and let's just put here alert animate as well to animate the cards. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So refresh this page, and now put here any data to see. Boom, guys, put here 20. Boom. So why not put here one thing? Let's just put here one br. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So put here 4. See, boom. This looks cool, guys. No, no, guys, this looks cool. Let's just put your footy. See, animation is doing great, guys. Animation is doing great. Okay, put here 4. Okay, so put here 9. Okay, put here 90. So see, this looks cool, guys. Okay, this looks cool. So we have just created our simple yet dynamic vanilla JavaScript project. Okay, where we are going to calculate the area of a circle, circumference of a circle, and diameter of a circle as well. That too all at once. Okay, guys, that too all at once. Thanks to guys, thanks to this, thanks to guys, all thanks to this function. Okay, all thanks to this function, guys. Okay, all thanks to this function, because this function is going to allow us to return multiple values in a object. Okay, this function is going to allow us to return multiple values using a object. Okay, like a object. Okay, so this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value. Okay, so guys, all thanks to this function, we are now able to calculate the area of a circle, circumference of a circle, and diameter of a circle as well. Okay, guys, if you wish to create other things of a circle as well, you are free to do that. Okay, so guys, for this video, for this session, for this tutorial, this is it only. Okay, and I hope guys you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic in JavaScript as well. And now I hope guys you will be able to create, you will be able to write, you will be able to write JavaScript code very efficiently and very easily now, and you will be able to create this kind of application where we will be able to calculate the radius, circumference, and diameter of a circle all at once. So guys, for the practice, for the task, okay, I'm going to give you guys one task as well from this video, from this session. Guys, using this, okay, guys, using this technique, guys, using this technique, you have to create the all the things like area, like diameter, like perimeter, okay, of a rectangle. Okay, so guys, create a area. Okay, guys, use this function, guys, use this application to I'm very sorry, I just clicked on the WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, for the task, okay, there is a task for you also, guys. Use this JavaScript function to calculate the area of a rectangle, to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle as well. Okay, and try to show the area and perimeter of a rectangle like this in a nice and dynamic and cool looking cards as well. Okay, so guys, this is the task for you. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic from this video, from this session of mine, and I hope you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon as well. Okay, so see guys, this looks cool and this looks dynamic as well. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon as well. Okay, so please guys do like this video as well. Okay, and please guys do comment something what you have learned, okay, from this video, from this session of mine, in the comment box below of this video. Okay, so guys, this is it. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.